Well, it's the day after the storm, and this time the weathermen had to be right. All the times they were wrong, this time they hit it on the head. We had about 18 inches, maybe 22 inches of snow. It's hard to tell because of the drifts, but let me tell you, that snow blew right up the steps, up to the door. Had to dig our way out this morning. This wheelbarrow, to give you an idea what came down, it was left here because I brought firewood into the house. Made our little path to nowhere here. Had to dig our way out. Yeah, just to give you an idea, the height over here. And then the driveway. I still didn't dig out the cars, but I just finished the driveway and I got to go in. Now it's starting to snow a little bit again. Weather forecast said we might get some snow showers today, and they're predicting low teens to single-digit temperature all week. I hope you didn't make the mistake I made. I checked my oil before this, and I thought I had plenty of oil. It was only $3.09 a gallon. I checked yesterday, it's up to $3.49. 40 cents a gallon jump because of this mess. Here's the car. Give you an idea how the car's buried in. And with that Gilson snowblower, in the last video that I posted up above, I did this driveway. This driveway is a total of 300 feet, but I have about 50 feet behind me that's not done. So it's about 250 feet of this, and it's all gravel underneath. This was a job cleaning this up. And I didn't go all the way to the bottom. There was snow from the last snowfall. I had that virus that went around, and I just let it be. So it was all ice under this. But the snow's up. And for this weekend, this Sunday, they predict another 1 to 3 inches. I hope they're wrong on that and we get nothing. Just want to point out this Gilson. I have a couple of videos that I did on this Gilson snowblower. I believe this is a 1985 model, and this thing's a beast. 32 inches wide with a 10 horsepower with the Tecumseh engine. This thing just keeps going. I mentioned this in the video, again, in the video that's up above about the tips. I'm leaving this outside because I can't get it into the garage. But you want to make sure that this isn't frozen before you start it up again. Now I'm leaving it out here. This is probably going to freeze up. If it doesn't thaw out by Sunday, before I use it again, I'll use a heat gun to make sure none of this is frozen up. And I'll be checking that oil again, because this thing worked. It took me a little over an hour, almost two. It took me, I don't know if an hour, 2 hours I was out here. I'm too exhausted to really tell. Anyway, just give you an idea. For those of my viewers that may be living down south, just giving you a little idea of what we have to deal with up here in the north. Although I hear down south now, certain areas you're having ice storms, which is a lot worse than this. So, good part is the snow wasn't wet, so it's not sticking to the trees over the power lines. That's a big problem I have over here. And my utility company won't cut that down. They say the power line's mine. Anyway, this is a snow day rant. Machine's about cooled off. I'm going to cover up this machine. Johnny took care of the birds, and I'll be headed in and going for that well-deserved cup of coffee and lunch. Thanks for stopping by. Stay warm, and above all, be safe.